Hello guys, how are you? This is Bonnie.
Hello, I'm Lisa. How are you?
Welcome to with the development of technology, our life is becoming more and more convenient. If we say the use of conditioner makes us feel more comfortable in summer or winter, then the use of washing machine reduces our unnecessary workload. So today let us learn the important part of washing machine, the computer board. As a company that has focusing on the production of household appliances for many years, the washing machine computer board is also one of our main products. Different washing machines equipped with different computer boards, but we are going to say today is the universal washing machine computer board, SCL 2200. Yes, it's this one.
Yes, this is the uniform washing machine PCB board. It's fully automatically washing machine. It has the following characteristics. Equipped with the original seal, it's good for stability and resistant interference.
It's circuit breaker controller, so the power switch is unnecessary.
Two options for the drainage is the output DC and the AC.
And equipped with suitable pressure switch for water level. Ensure the water level is correct.
Have washing and the spinning functions.
There are some things we need to pay attention to when we need to replace the computer board. First, confirm the drainage system is DC water or AC draining. There are two kinds of computer board output. It must replace the computer board as the following situation. First, inlet well resistance to be smaller than 4 kΩ. Second, drainage well electricity to be smaller than 10 kΩ. Otherwise, it will blow up to the computer board seriously. Then we will refuse to maintain.
Yes, after display the water level sensor, if the barrel has the installation, you have to choose the computer board function to drain the water on time, so that the water level frequency and the computer board phase synchronism. Otherwise, it will enter water long time or the water level abnormal.
The water level control switch should ensure that it is a water level sensor and the frequency should match the frequency of the computer board. Reverse, forward, and water intake valve, AC valve, and N output and N input. And these two are water level sensor. The important thing is the middle one is connecting to the middle of the water level sensor. Yes, it's this. Okay, and this one is cover switch.
In addition, there are.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is Ethan and this is my partner Sandy. And welcome to our live show today. It's our pleasure to have you here. So let's get it started. Today we are going to introduce fan motors from my factory. And as you can see behind my back, there are all fan motors, and we have a variety of fan motors, such as wall fan motor and box fan motor, stand fan motor, and exhaust fan motor. And I'm going to give you a brief introduction of our fan motor. And now please take a look at this motor. It's normally a fan motor and it's made up of front shell, back shell, rotor, stator, gearbox, and also capacitor.
We have a variety of fan motors, and each type fan motors have different sizes. We distributing fan motors by ball bearing type and brush type, and we can also differentiate from the methods of wise winding. You can choose protein copes wise and awareness wise. And for the rounding spans of fan motors, we have high speed can you to 2200 around minutes and normal span type 1300 around minutes.
And somebody may ask me a question that there are lots of factories manufacturing fan motors. So why do we buy from you? And that's really a good question, and I will tell you about our product's advantages now. And number one, when our fan motor is working, it works stably and it's very efficient. And number two, our factory uses good quality stators for fan motor and good quality stators for fan motor in order to protect the internal structure of the motor and to ensure the stability of the motor structure. And number three, we also use high quality lubricating oil to reduce the resistance of motor when it's running and make the motor run smoother. And number four, our fan motors has stronger rotor, which leads to higher speeds and larger air volume delivery. And last but not least, our engineer also came out a low noise design for fan motors. So our fan motor is powerful while running smoothly with low noise. It brings a quite comfortable environment for you and your family to sleep.
We have introduced the wide fan motor to you, including the fan motor design, features and advantages. Now I want to show you two popular models. Our screens have a high development on these models. 16-inch arrangement-wise table fans motors. Normals around space 1215 round minutes with completions. And this is 18-inch arrangement-wise table fan motors because high speed 2300 around minutes with completions.
Yes, and now let's compare these two motors. The biggest difference is the stator thickness, as you can see, the thickness here, and the rounding speed also. And this 16 inches fan motor means the motor stator thickness is 71 and 16 millimeter, and stator length is 71 millimeter. Its working voltage is 220 volts and the maximum power is 45 watt. And its rounding speed can be up to about 1250 round each minute. So, besides, what is the specification of this one, the 18 inches fan motor? Of course, the thickness of its stator is 18 millimeter length, and length also the 71 millimeter. And its working voltage also 220 volt, same with the other one. And the maximum power is 62 watts. And this type is high-speed fan motor, and its RPM can be up to 2,300 rounds in 1 minute. And for both models, we can do any thickness as you requested, whatever you need, 12, 14, 15, 16 or 18 millimeters. And that's all the details of these two motors that we want to show you here. And one more thing, we exported this two types motor in great quantity each year. My factory are producing this over time, so the MOQ is small, but many clients are ordering over 10 containers. So please get back to us at your earliest convenience if you are interested in it.
Okay, let me show you other types of fan motors. So everybody please keep your eyes on these three fan motors. They look very different from each other. These are regular designed for fan motor. This wide short motor have our gray box, and it is 20-inch table fan motor. We have a regiment-wise winding inside the fan motor, and it is wide 1.5 mils completion. It is a hot cell type in Southeast Asia. And second model, you can see it has a valley track station of 25 minutes. So it has a better heat dissipation and strong power. My factory has operation of a millwise and copper-wise. Copper-wise model has a better quality and longer service life than a millwise. At last, we have another regard table fan models here for you. It is 60 inch model with 1.5 units completion, whose wide rating is make up a volume. All these products are made by my factory. We have a qualification department to track the quality before packing and sending goods. If you are interested in fan motor, please contact me for more details. So, this is a short introduction of fan motors. If you are interested in fan motors and want to know more about the details, please contact with us. You can scan this code by your WeChat and chat with us and Facebook page.
Okay, so let's put down it. Okay, let's go on. And you guys see these 5 motors on the table now, and there's no doubt that these are the types we are going to introduce now, so let us show you one by one. In the first, this one is the 20 inches fan motor, and it is with ball bearing and 1.8 mil capacitor. And it is very special with a black shell, as you can see, and the material is copper wire winding. Built in ball bearing means the fan motor can be running more durable and less noisy. So I highly recommend this product. It's suitable for many universal fans. And let's have a look. This one is a 16 inches table fan motor. It's a little different from the normal 16 inches model because the stator size is 66 mm and 16 mm. The length here is 66 mm. The previous model is all 71 mm length, and other specification data are the same. Also, the aluminum wire winding with 1.5 mil capacitor here. So the next model I have here, it's 74 mm and 16 mm fan motor. The stator is bigger than other models that I introduced before. It is up to 74 mm, and this one also with 1.5 mil capacitor, and its material is aluminum wire winding, and the shell also made of aluminum.
And let me show you other 2 models on the table. You may notice that it doesn't look like another model. Yes, this type is applicable for both fan motors. Not table fan motor. It is also the lot of same motor around the world. This model is suitable for 12-inch fans. It has 14 mm track storage, and the status is outside. Please take a look on this sample. You can see it 5 lines. Each line contains two different fans tables. Both fans motors is widely used. Motors will be decreased of service while life is short. So you need to choose a better quality motor to replace it. Our produce is your best choice. With the best quality, competition price, and exclude after sales service. And last models I have here on the table is in a 3-in-1 fan model. While we all it 3-in-1 model, it can be used for stand fans, with fans, wall fans, and around fans. It saves your money. We also have operation of around wires and copper wires.
Yeah, so that's all for today. And if you have any interest in fan motors, please contact with me. And here's our Facebook and YouTube channel, and also WhatsApp number and WeChat number. And you can add me through this two-way and talk to me. And if you have any needs in customizing fan motors, for example, you want to make your brand or change the color of the shell, and we can all do for you. And thank you for watching our live show. We will see you at the same time tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
等一下。